How to fix Modern Warfare Roman 2 crash at loading screen caused by GoodbyeDPI. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we're diving deep into a specific and increasingly common issue plaguing Modern Warfare Roman 2 players. Crashes at the loading screen, particularly those linked to network utility tools like GoodbyeDPI. While GoodbyeDPI is designed to bypass DPI filtering by ISPs, its interaction with Modern Warfare Roman 2, robust anti-cheat, and online service requirements can lead to immediate game disconnections and crashes, often manifesting as an inability to transition from the loading screen into the game itself, or even being erroneously flagged as offline. This guide will meticulously detail the root causes and provide a comprehensive, multifaceted approach to not only resolve the primary GoodbyeDPI conflict, but also address associated online connectivity errors, ensuring you can return to the battlefield without interruption. Here are 20 deep technical solutions to fix Modern Warfare Roman 2 crash at loading screen caused by GoodbyeDPI. Temporarily disable GoodbyeDPI immediately. The most direct solution is to ensure GoodbyeDPI is not actively running. Locate its process in the Task Manager, right-click and select End Task to terminate its operation, then attempt to launch Modern Warfare Roman 2. This initial step helps confirm if GoodbyeDPI is indeed the immediate culprit by removing its real-time interference. Configure GoodbyeDPI for permanent disablement. Beyond temporary termination, ensure GoodbyeDPI is configured not to launch automatically with your system. Check its startup settings within the utility itself or via Windows Task Scheduler and System Configuration Utilities, disabling any auto-start entries to prevent future conflicts. This ensures a clean boot environment for Modern Warfare Roman 2, free from DPI bypass attempts. Verify GoodbyeDPI service status. Some implementations of GoodbyeDPI might run as a background service. Open services. MSC via the Run dialog. Locate any GoodbyeDPI-related services, stop them, and set their startup type to Disabled to prevent automatic restart. This ensures no residual components are attempting to modify network traffic. Reset network adapters to clear DPI-related states. Persistent network states, influenced by tools like GoodbyeDPI, can linger even after termination. Access network connections. Disable your primary Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter, wait a few seconds, then re-enable it. This action forces a reinitialization of your network stack, potentially clearing any residual DPI bypass configurations. Flush DNS cache and renew IP address. Interference with DNS resolution or IP address assignments can occur due to DPI bypass tools. Open command prompt as administrator and execute ipconfig/flushdins, followed by ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew. This ensures your system acquires fresh network configurations and resolves domain names without potential GoodbyeDPI-induced anomalies. Verify integrity of game files via launcher. Corrupted or incomplete game files can cause crashes, sometimes exacerbated by network anomalies. For Steam, right-click Modern Warfare Roman 2, go to Properties, then Local Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Battle.net, select the game, click the gear icon Options, and choose Scan and Repair to ensure all game assets are pristine. Ensure Battle.net/Steam client is online and not in offline mode. The forum data highlighted an offline mode error after disabling GoodbyeDPI. Confirm your Steam or Battle.net client is logged in and actively connected to their respective online services. If stuck in offline mode, restart the client or toggle the online status settings within the application to force a reconnection. Run Modern Warfare Roman 2 and its launcher as administrator. Insufficient administrative privileges can sometimes prevent games from initializing properly or interacting with network services. Right-click the game executable, e.g., ship, exe and its launcher shortcut, then select Run as Administrator to grant full system access. This can resolve permissions-related crashes at launch. Update graphics drivers to the latest stable version. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a very common cause of game crashes, especially at loading screens. Visit NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's official websites to download and install the latest stable drivers for your GPU. Consider performing a clean installation to remove any previous driver remnants. Check for pending Windows operating system updates. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully up to date. Navigate to Settings Update and Security Windows Update and check for any pending updates. System-level updates often include critical security patches, compatibility fixes, and performance improvements essential for modern games. Temporarily disable VPN or proxy services. Similar to GoodbyeDPI, any other active VPN or proxy software can interfere with Modern Warfare Roman II online connectivity and anti-cheat mechanisms. Temporarily disable these services before launching the game to rule out additional network layer interference. This isolates the network path to your direct ISP connection. Configure Firewall and Antivirus Exclusions. Your firewall or antivirus software might be aggressively blocking Modern Warfare Roman II or its launcher's network communications. Create explicit exceptions or rules within your security software for the game's executable and its launcher, e.g. Battle, Net, exe, Steam, exe to ensure unrestricted access. Temporarily disabling them for a test launch can also help diagnose. Test general network connectivity. Beyond client-specific checks, verify your general internet connection stability. Perform a ping test to a reliable server, e.g., ping Google, comm in command prompt, and consider running a traceroute tracert 8 to identify any packet loss or high latency on your network path to external services. Unstable connections can lead to loading screen disconnections. Clear Modern Warfare Roman II shader cache. Modern Warfare Roman II heavily relies on a shader cache for optimal performance, but a corrupted cache can cause crashes. Navigate to the game's installation directory, often in Documents /Call of Duty Modern Warfare Roman II /players, and delete any shader cache or player data folders. Make a backup if unsure. The game will rebuild these upon next launch. Disable in-game overlays, Steam, Discord, GeForce Experience. Overlays from platforms like Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience can sometimes conflict with game rendering or anti-cheat. Access the settings for each platform and disable their respective in-game overlay features. This reduces potential hooks and injections into the game's process, improving stability. Adjust virtual memory, paging file size. Insufficient virtual memory can lead to out-of-memory errors and crashes, especially in demanding games. Navigate to System Properties, Advanced Performance Settings, Advanced Virtual Memory, and ensure your paging file is set to System Managed or a custom size that provides ample headroom, e.g. 5x your RAM minimum. Monitor system resources during game launch. Use Task Manager or a more advanced tool like Resource Monitor to observe CPU, RAM, and disk usage as you launch Modern Warfare Roman II. High spikes or sustained 100% usage on any component can indicate a bottleneck or conflicting process causing the crash. This helps identify hardware-related issues or other background tasks. Perform a clean boot to isolate software conflicts. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. Use msconfig to disable all non-Microsoft services and all startup items. Reboot and try launching the game. If it works, gradually re-enable services and startup items to pinpoint the conflicting software. Restart your router and modem. Sometimes network issues can stem from your local network hardware. Power cycle both your router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. This clears their internal caches and reestablishes a fresh connection with your ISP, resolving latent connectivity problems. Reinstall Modern Warfare Roman 2 as a last resort. If all other solutions fail, a complete reinstallation of Modern Warfare Roman 2 might be necessary. This ensures every game file is fresh, untainted by previous issues, and properly integrated into your system. Back up any configuration files you wish to keep before uninstalling the game. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more in-depth technical guides and solutions.